Me. Hello? Hello? Hi, yes. How may I help you? I have come to the bank today. I would like to open a new bank account. Ah, certainly. Please sit down and wait a minute. Okay, thanks. Ah, yes. So you would like to open a new bank account. Do you have your passport here? My passport? Yeah, please. Just wait me 1 second. Okay, here you go. Okay, thanks. Also, do you have any other identification with you? Like a driving license? Yes, I have my driving license. Wait. Okay, here you go. Okay, thanks. Yeah. So why have you chosen to open a bank account here? Actually, I just moved to this country recently, and I don't yet have any bank accounts. That is why I came here today. Ah, I see. Which country do you come from? I come from the US. But then I just moved here to this country 3 weeks ago. But I like it a lot. I would like to stay here longer. So I need a bank account. Ah, yes, no problem. What do you think of our country so far? I think it is really fun. The weather is really nice and the people are really friendly. Have you ever visited the US before? Actually, I did one time, around 10 years ago. I went traveling with my university group. We went to New York and Las Vegas and Chicago. Oh, Chicago? That is where I am from. That is my hometown city. I love it there a lot, but I also like to travel and see other places. And I like this country a lot. Maybe I will stay here for a while. Ah, it is really good. Welcome to our country. Do you have an apartment and everything sorted yet? Yeah, I have an apartment. I am living with 2 other friends. Ah, it is good. What is your new address? I live over at number 98 Baker Street, in the apartment building there. It is a really good area, many restaurants and stuff around, and there is a 24-hour store right downstairs. It is so convenient. Ah, yes, I know the apartment building that you mean. Actually, my home is just around 5 minutes walk from that building. Wow, we are very close. Yeah. Okay, can you sign here? Yeah. Okay. Do I need to do anything else? No? That is all. Please can you come round? Please can you come back here in around 1 week and collect your new banking card? Ah, thank you. It is so fast. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.